Hey, welcome to class, and it looks like we have another snow day on our hands. And so what we're doing is we're just going to move on, and we'll do some activities next week to catch up. But this chapter, I did include a crash course for you to watch. So if you go down to week 12, which will be on the bottom of your list, and you will have this setup here. I'm going to go ahead and get this right for you while I'm talking. So this week we'd cover health and medicine, and I included the crash course video here so you can watch this. I do encourage you to watch it. It covers most of the material for the chapter. Read the chapter, and then there's a crash course. There's a test on chapter 3. I set it up so there's 2 chances to take this test. So if you miss it the first time, go back and take it again if you don't like your grade. So we do have that. And then we will do an activity that covers an aspect of health. We're going to talk about environmental racism, which is a sociological concept. And I'll talk about that next week when we get to class. That'll be a fun face-to-face discussion. Then I have a chapter 9 through 13 Dropbox, and this will be pretty much the last stitch of your Dropbox assignment for the class. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these after you complete this third section, and you're going to stitch them together and have your 5-page paper. And that's actually our final project for the class. So you can get this done this week if you want to. If not, there is 2 weeks to complete it. And next week when we get together, I will go over the assignment for the final Dropbox. So for the paper itself. So you'll have all the instructions next week on how to complete that. But it should be no problem for you if you've been doing the Dropbox assignments to get that together. So again, it'll be an easy week. We have a crash course. I want you to watch that. This will give you some information on this section, health and medicine, and how it's sociological. And you have your quiz and the Dropbox. That's all we have set up here. So this Dropbox, again, is over chapters 9 to 13. And I want you to take the information from that chapter that pertains to you and the formation of who you are from the social world. And so you're just going to do a page and a half, and we'll move on from there. If you have any questions, make sure you email me. I don't know if you remember if I showed you this before, but on the class list, you're able to get a hold of anybody. So you can go to the class list, and there I am. And you just hit send email, and there you go. I'm not going to send an email to myself, but you can get a hold of anybody in the class. So it's a nice thing you can do here. If you want to get in touch with any of your classmates from any of your classes, it's a nice little feature we have on D2L. So I am sorry class is canceled. I wasn't expecting this to happen again, and I hope you don't feel shortchanged. I do like seeing all of you. I'm very happy with this class. You guys are great, and I really do miss having class today. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, we will get together next week, and I really hope there's no more snow because we don't have too many meetings left. But have a great weekend, stay safe, and stay warm.